for him. Thank you for bringing those for your brother, Tristan. Nice.
Tristy.
Out.
As my teacher.
Yeah.
What is it for?
Darn it.
And suits. I want my blue team. You're so cute when you
Darn it.
Go one a day! Go! Go one a day! Go, Daddy! Go one a day! Go! Go!
Go, Brody!
Go one a day!
Oh, go take it. He has both flags. Woo-woo!
Can I play this? What? No.
Woo!
Ow!
Okay. Oh, goodness. Children, please calm down. What happened, Tristy?
Please stepped on me.
Her have like flying powers or something?
Yeah, she has a lot of nice powers. Go, go. Push the light up. I am.
Get him.
So I guess you have to pretend on his phone.
Gosh. Go ahead. Woo!
It's busted.
Darn it. Get him, get him. Oops. Thank you, buddy. Ooh. Out.
Football.
You're right. The score in the football goal. Football end zone. Get hit. Woo! Number 3. Because Andre was tired, so he had. Oh, nice. Ike, come in. Get it.
Oh, I saw
Woo!
number 9 is like
Careful not
this.
to bump me.
I like the pool. Cuckoo. Move your hand. Is it really yeah. It doesn't.
Holy. Careful. Oh, freaking heck.
I love bold colors. I love when everything.
I'm a bad guy too because she.
Woo! Woo! No, thank ya.
Oh, he's talking to me. Hey, no this.
Oh, okay. Then you need to talk back to him.
Thank you. Leave, babe.
Woo!
Yes.
Not here. Get it! Woo!
Let's go, baby. He needs help walking. He needs help walking. And I said, Nina. Okay, fine.
Get it, babe. Gone on vacation before too.
Have we?
No.
We're on a vacation
Woo!
now. Are we helping?
Dang.
What else? The beach?
That's a good idea. Freaking heck. Come on. But now the Renegades are a little bit frustrated, and I want them to not be frustrated. That way they can win. Yes, Troy, what do you need?
No, I'm telling you. Can we have another cookie?
Anybody to smack their head on the metal chair? Get him. Woo! Oh, crap. Yeah, he plays too, but he has a 1 hour break.
Oh my. Why?
Woo! Go!
One of T-bars and a shooter.
Oh, frick.
T-bar. T-bar. I'm gonna give you it.